Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐷𝐿 and I'm taking a video here of another Hijet deck van that we bought. This is a nice little car. It's got some white alloy wheels, match the white body. That looks pretty good, and it's a really clean unit. The body works dead straight. You can see no scratches, dents or anything like that. It's a half van, half pickup, so it's got this deck on the back, and it's the name deck van, and so that folds down like that. You can put things in there that you don't want to put inside the cabin, fishing tackle, your dog, anything like that. Something that you don't need to, don't mind if it gets wet, but you want to bring it with you. And then inside here, it's got two sliding doors, one on each side. See that small bench seat in the back. It's got two 3-point belts. And in the front, two more seats. Very clean, you can see, no damage to them. And start the engine, you can see it's done 34,000 Ks, that's about 20,000 miles, something like that. And if it's a switchable four-wheel drive, if I press this button here, that light comes on there, and now the four-wheel drive is engaged, and it can go pretty well off the road. Automatic transmission, you can see that there, got a CD player, air conditioning, it's nice and cold, that air conditioning. Got two airbags as well, one that side, one on the steering wheel. Completely enclosed cabin, so you can keep dry and cool, warm, whichever you need to do. This is going to be sold in the US as an off-road vehicle only. It's going to be used only for, intended to be used off the road, so it's like an ATV. So compared with other ATVs, the spec is pretty good. It's got the things I just mentioned, good spec, air conditioning, that kind of thing, and keep you drier than a quad bike for sure. So this vehicle is going to be shipped out very soon, and on its way to the US. If you're interested in this vehicle, one like this, or you think you can become a distributor of these vehicles in the US, have a look on our website 𝐦𝐨𝐵𝐞.com, and you'll see a lot more information on there. Thank you very much for watching.